Danke bafethu, welcome back to Nkuli Soccer. Next game i-coach e-Kaizer Chiefs or ama-coach we-Kaizer Chiefs kumele aqale uvele baye. Abo lokhunjani abolilepo isikhathi esiningi ngathi abafuni ukudlala. Khona ama-moments la bangafuni ukudlala but still they are rewarded ukuthi baqala ama-game. Qalisa abanye abantu abahungry abazobonisa i-passion ne-hunger to deliver. As much as i-Kaizer Chiefs watholile ama-results but what a poor performance from ulilepo bafethu. What a poor performance. Amanye ama-performances are poor to an extent uzibuza ukuthi namhlanje lo muntu bekafuna ukudlala because this is not the Lilepo that we know. Siyazi ukuthi i-decision making yakhe poor at times but what a poor performance. Ayikho into ayenze right. Angikhumbuli not even a single thing ayenze right. Ama-passes wakhe la bekumele aphase khona uFoster ukushutha la geje khona ibhola la uphusha ibhola uphasa too soon or uphasa fast khona la umthetho athi umphasa ibhola Lilepo sebalekile uma le touchline uluze ibhola and then uba frustrated ukuthi u-Igadaro or i-striker laphana kumele sisuke eboxini siyom-assista le ekugcineni umele ngaselayinini bazom-assista kanjani because of u-Igadaro khona la amshaya ngesignal e-first half ukuthi indoda square ibhola ulifake ekhanda ulifaka phansi yena easily deflected. It was not even deflected, straight to a goalkeeper. Ayikho into ayenze right. Bekunama-opportunities la uVilakazi bekumele amshaye ngama-through pass nix ufuna ukuhold ibhola la kumele a-release khona fast aka-release ufuna ukulihold naso kumele aphase khona wrong pass angeke Lilepo kumelanga iqale next game bafethu aqale abanye abantu aba-deserving nabo ukuthi baqale ama-game banikwa ama-opportunities afair because of improve if uyazi ukuthi uguaranteed ukudlala. Sikhumbule ukuthi uLilepo ubelimele if elinye iplayer ulimele kula game previous game and it's not even the first game la ethinteka khona egamini if bokuwamanye ama-player but ngiya-understand ukuthi maybe yena strong uyakwazi ukurecovera fast more than amanye ama-player but why a-guaranteed ukuthi aqale each and every game bafethu. Each and every game uLilepo is the first man laphana ku-starting 11 whether is performing or is not performing, where is decision making poor but siyazi ukuthi ku-first starting lineup Lilepo ukhona and ama-coach e-Kaizer Chiefs asibonisile namhlanje ukuthi ama-coward bafethu. Sometimes ungabi coward kanje asibonisile labantu ukuthi ama-coward bakhipha ilokhunjani i-strike u-Igadaro bafaka i-wing and then badrop uLilepo bambekeza i-number 9 uLilepo flat footed igame yonke akakayiniki lutho i-Kaizer Chiefs ba-expect umlingo laphana ku-number 9 beba-expecteni ngempela cause izinto bezingamsebenzeli uLilepo. Yes, decision abayenzile ekugcineni ukuthi bakhiphe lo Lilepo lo bafaka uSilva bafake i-striker vele esizohlala laphana eboxini uSilva ukwazile ukushaya igoli elihle kakhulu but hayi bafethu nginyala ngoLilepo. Is a good player yes but akahlale ebhenchini afile naye ukuthi akwazi ukuba hungry ukuthi makanikwa ama-opportunities uhungry uready uyakwazi ukudlala than ukuthi njalo uguaranteed amalokhunjana ama-minutes ukuthi uzoqala igame no i-wrong lento le because of abanye abantu oModi nangu uModi-ke angifuna nokukhuluma ngaye. uModi siyazi ukuthi i-decision making yamshaya isikhathi esiningi imshayile futhi namhlanje but bayakwazi ukumqalisa ebhenchini ukuthi bamnike lowo motivation but nabo Modi still ba-guaranteed ukuthi uModi uzongena noma kuthiwa uqala ebhenchini but is more preferred than ovele bayo so bazo-improve kanjani abantu aba-guaranteed ama-game time whether they are performing or not performing. Sometimes kumele sithathe i-win siyibekele eceleni sibheke individual performances from ama-player. Again, well-deserved performance from well-deserved for him i-man of the match umthetho ukuthi uthole i-man of the match yet again as much as bekungasi one of his best games naye but-ke uyalwa bafethu uyiwora uyazama ukulwa ngempela he gives everything for i-team. I mean abanye abantu esingabashayela izandla noma siba-highlight uPeterson uthole enye man of the match siyazi ukuthi well it was not tested that much because i-Kaizer Chiefs beyiphethe ibhola kakhulu i-dominate i-position kuyiye phambili noma bebehluleka ku-final third. Mina angikaze ngabona i-team e-complicated kanje bafethu. This team is complicated asibeni fair and naye enye into lento bengisho few days back ukuthi baprove uJunior Khanye right bafethu. Hayibo labantu ayikho into ehlanganayo mabaya lapha phambili ayikho eyenzakalayo ayikho ngempela ayikho bazama lokhu lutho wonke umuntu ufuna ukuba i-hero but at the same time abakwazi ukudlala as a collective. uLilepo mebamba ibhola uModi ngeke ngayisho lento but ithi ngiphinde ngoModi uModi uyafrustrate uma umbukela ubamba ibhola njalo ufuna ukubalanda abantu ababhithi uzoluza ibhola or ajike abuyele emuva khona la bamba ibhola bamnika kahle ibhola akalibuyiseli same time usafuna ukubhitha umuntu ngapho uShabalala une-run enhle ukuthi umnike i-option ukuthi ngiphase ndoda usafuna ahlale kuye ey'nyaweni kusho ukuthi ulithanda ibhola ey'nyaweni. Ngihlezi ngisho ukuthi as much as soloke siphinda sithi aba-improve, ayikho indoda ena-32 ekudala idlala ibhola professional angeke uyitshele ukuthi improve. That guy ayikho into asazokunika yona, lo oyibonayo i-best work yakhe, ayikho into e-super special asazokunika yona. So there is no way bafowethu akunike lese into extra special. I-defense ngiyohlezi ngiyishayela izandla okwamanje inza kahle kakhulu. Mina ama-clean sheets angaka this season and i-replacement kaThabiso Munyane ilethe i-bit of balance. Yabona uGustin Sirino, hey umuntu ofuna imvubu uGustin Sirino, akekho umuntu ofuna imvubu njengoGustin Sirino laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs. Umuntu ozokudlalela kudlalele kahle mefuna ukudlala, mengafuni ukudlala akafuni ukudlala uthulele ngathi ufuna ukuncenga ukuze adlale, kuthiwa siyakucela mfethu udlala siyakudinga no. So I mean, yeah, it was just gonna be a mess, but if you can, I mean, the coaches are lucky to get a win because of bebazoba questiona ngempela i-strategy sabo ukuthi badlala kanjani, i-plan yabo heading to this game bokuyini game plan, and then bayi-execute kanjani, baphushe kanjani, ama-results, i-position yes ikhona, but i-final third why ama-player angadlalanga, and ama-substitution bebazobuzwa ngama-substitution. Sometimes inhlanhla iba sesayidini lakho ukuthi unoGustin Sirino umuntu ospecial oyakwazi ukuproduce ama-moments of magic, individual brilliance ukunika yona leyo nto leyo, but kumele kuba nama-questions bafethu coach, angeke ukuthi i-decision yakho ayingeke ngiyikhohle le, ukhipha i-striker ufake i-wing, u-expecteni umlingo ucele funny enough like basiya kucele, I mean ucele awucela angisazi ukuthi ngimjaje kanjani, uyangihlula. Yabona namhlanje mengena ungibonise ube lively like ngibonile ukuthi okay uyakwazi ukushaya nama-pocket passes, uyakwazi ukushaya ama-passes kubonakala ngathi kuvaliwe. It was more lively, bekakunika lento le edingekayo ukucela. Kwamanye amagame uvela abe-flat nawe ungamboni, but-ke namhlanje khona into engiyibonile kancane ama-passes wakho ukuthi okay kumele abonise i-energy uyibonisile-ke namhlanje. Kusho ukuthi le nto le yokumhlalisa ebhentshini yokumfaka second half iyasebenza because of uyazi ukuthi naye mengena laphana egrawundini kumele asebenze aziprove laphana ethimini ukuthi uyadeserve ukunikwa i-opportunity, ukuthi ayizi nje ngoba ucele bamthatha eRussia so manje kumele bemamnika ama-opportunities no. Uwasebenzela ama-opportunities wakhe for uyithathile man opportunity abamnike yona, ukwazile ukuzama ukuthi abe in control laphana esiswini in terms of i-passing range yakhe. For the first time in the long run ngimbona ashaya iphasi engathi li-good, wena akusiyiphasi eli-long but-ke iphasi ukuthi kuvalekile but akunike lelo phasi lelo because isikhathi esiningi udlala lama-short passes lawa. Bit of sense of i-agency, it was not ilanga le-Kaizer Chiefs but into important ukuthi bawatholile ama-result njengoba ngishilo. Peterson another clean sheet, hhayi kubafana bayoze bakuvume mfana, ayikhenye cause manje mawuzoba nama-clean sheets amaningi kunabo bonke abo-goalkeeper ku-PSL but awukho nakubafana cause siyazi kubafana kusho ukuthi bonke ngishilo uma isaqala le clip ukuthi hhayi ukuthi bonke o-goalkeeper bayadlala, hamba o-experience nabo bafana noma ungaba i-third option but baku-reward, basho ukuthi mfowethu siyakubona ukuthi uyadlala, uyaphefoma, abakori isikhathi esiningi. Kusho ukuthi i-defense yakho uyakwazi ukuthi uba vocal, ukwazi ukuba direct, ukwazi ukubaphusha abafana laphana, which is very very important. Ngifuna ukungena kuma-fans reaction laphana online after igame ukuthi a-react-e kanjani kuma-pages o-Kaizer Chiefs nanokuthi batheni because ama-standards a-high kakhulu bafowethu for i-Kaizer Chiefs, so akwenzi sense ngempela ukuthi bahluleke bona bawine kanzima. But-ke amanye ama-win vele siyazi ukuthi a-brutal a-rough, i-win bafowethu, 3 points i-3 points, but kumele sibajaje individual plays laphana. I mean something engiyibonayo la ukuthi Kaizer Chiefs beyizoba senkingeni if ayikwazanga laphana ukuwina. Yeah, uSilva iseyivile i-Kaizer Chiefs bafethu last minute. This is what you do uma uyi-strike, mawuthole noma kuthiwa uthola 5 minutes uyayisebenzisa lo 5 minutes, when you get an opportunity to play uyayisebenzisa leyo opportunities leyo. Abanye abantu bafuna ukuza ngama-excuse angekho, I mean like they didn't create that much. Yeah, but what we can appreciate ukuthi bakwazile ukuthola ama-results. I think that thing we can appreciate ukuthi i-Kaizer Chiefs ikwazile ukugrinda ama-results. Namhlanje ilanga libhilonga kuSilver bafowethu, out of nothing, out of nowhere. Bancane kabi abantu bebazokwazi ukuhela lela bhola njengoba balihele ngakhona, bancane. Nawo amanye amalokhunjana ama-comments, ithi ngingene kuma-comments bafowethu ukuthi khona u-TK laphana online uthe ujabule ukuthi i-Kaizer Chiefs ikwazile ukuthola i-3 points but u-frustrated. It was a frustrating game to watch. Uthi to watch, it was a frustrating game to watch. Yes. Uthi I hope we improve from this. Yeah, ama-improvement ayafuneka ngempela bafethu overall. Omunye u-KG laphana uyakhomenta uthi i-Kaizer Chiefs beyingabonakali njenge-team ezokora. Uthi another win to be honest. Uthi ucabanga ukuthi our-coaches be-Kaizer Chiefs they just bring everyone nje if i-starting 11 sabo siyafeyila. Uthi ama-subs we-Kaizer Chiefs ba-off, ababhelieve kuma-young players. Uthi I mean unolokhunjana ufaka uModi, uyazi ukuthi uModi u-off, why ungafaki uVelibayo, why ungafaki uCele? Ukhala nangokuthi laphana u-KG ukuthi i-Kaizer Chiefs they are giving a position or a ball, umthetho man is giving the ball away, but-ke uthi uzoyithatha i-win overall. Yeah. Abanye abantu bathi uGavin Hunt uze laphana ngeplan ukuthi ufuna i-draw, but-ke kumele i-Kaizer Chiefs at the end of the day kumele ibe nama-solutions bafethu ukuthi okay lento ayisebenzi, ithi sizameni lena. Abantu noma be-defend, i-Kaizer Chiefs iswelele besi-defend, but Kaizer Chiefs they were able to create ama-opportunities ama-opportunities overall. Yeah, so yeah man, what a game, what a game for i-Kaizer Chiefs. It was just depressing in fact to watch, but i-3 points bakwazile ukuthola, which is very very important bafethu, because igame akumelanga siyijaje based on igoli, siyijaja based on igame yonke overall laphana bafethu, ukuthi okay they were able to create le chance le kanjena and then bakwazi ukufrustrate leya team leya, bakwazi ukuthola i-win at the end of the day. So congratulations for i-Kaizer Chiefs. It was a frustrating game njengoba abantu besho bafethu, but-ke ekugcineni bathi bakwazile ukumanage ukuthola i-big 3 points. Ba-celebrate abantu ukuthi finally they are back la babhilonga khona, ukuthi ba-better ne-Orlando Pirates laphana kuma-log standing. I-3 points important overall. Silver save i-Kaizer Chiefs, congratulations. I mean yeah, nayi comment engichazayo-ke la bafowethu, ithi mawubheka i-Kaizer Chiefs ileka ama-ideas laphana ebhentshini. Ulona uHunt ube overloaded laphana against ama-wingers we-Kaizer Chiefs, badinga ama-fresh ideas laphana ku-midfield. Abo-coach they kept making ama-changes kuma-position la igame beyingana-impact khona overall. Uthi ku-view yakhe laphana i-Kaizer Chiefs beyidinga ukuholda ibhola more laphana ku-midfielder ukuthi ama-wingers abe free laphana, because of ama-winger yiwo lawo bewavaliwe kakhulu ukuthi angaphefumuli laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs overall. Yeah, not a beautiful win. But-ke despite, omunye wekhomenta la uthi despite uGustin Sirene excellent cross, uSilver goal, uthi-ke uthi uModi ayikho into ayinika i-Kaizer Chiefs at all. Uthi uVelibayo noBatman kumele banikwe nawo ama-opportunities soon. Uthi bheka lama-players lawa ano-30 something badinga ama-youngsters more ukuthi babanike ama-opportunities. Omunye uVincent uyasho laphana uthi i-match beyi-painful ukuthi siyibukele overall. Uthi-ke at some point uzithole laphana efuna nokulala, uthi basa-struggle ukuwina ama-match convincingly. Uthi-ke uthi could have been yet another draw, but uthi nonetheless bakwazile ukuthola i-3 points, they move. Kuthiwa abanye bathi asithatheni ama-positives kulama-result lawa, i-performance bekungasiyiyo, i-team azange ibonise ihang at all. Uthi-ke uyasaba umfowethu lana ukuthi if bayaqhubeka badlala kanjena ama-teams amaningi azobaphanisha. Omunye uyakhomenta lana bafethu uthi bekungasi i-best game le ye-Kaizer Chiefs overall, but ama-results yiwo a-important kakhulu. I-Kaizer Chiefs ayiqhubeke yakhe. Yeah, hayi ziyakhala bafethu, i-win by at the end of the day. I mean yeah, they move, they get important results. well-needed win for... I mean, results at the end of the day, bafethu. I mean, 2 points laphana of the leaders, which is Mamelodi Sundowns, is good for Kaizer Chiefs overall. They have to keep grinding ama-results ngenkani, bawathole ngenkani, noma kuthola ukuthi abawatholi kamnandi, but ama-results are-important ukuthi bawathole bafethu. Sibafisela inhlanhla heading to lamanye ama-game. Danko, ngicela ningakhohlwa ukulike and subscribe.